Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make safflower tea. Safflower is a common herb that is used to treat many ailments, and it's typically easily found in a herbal store or a health food store. Now, you may have some difficulty finding it in a normal grocery store, but if you do go to a health food store, it's probably very easy to locate. You can find it in a tea bag form, or you can buy it loose leaf, just as the herb dried up, and you can make it into a tea that way as well. Let's get started. The first step is you're going to take your tea kettle and fill it up with cool water. You could use tap water or you can use bottled water, depending on your preference. You're then going to place it on your stove and turn it on high. You're going to leave it on the stove on high until it reaches a boiling point. Once the tea reaches a boiling point, you can then remove it from the stove. We're going to take our tea bag and we're going to take it out of the box, remove it from the wrapper, open it up, place it in our tea cup, which this tea cup is about 8 ounces. You can make up to 12 ounces with one tea bag. We're going to pour the boiling water on top of the tea bag, leaving a little space at the top here, just making sure that we don't splash any hot water on ourselves. And we're going to bob this tea bag up and down a few times just to get the water flowing into the tea bag so that that hot water can pull out the flavor and diffuse the tea throughout the beverage. Safflower tea needs to steep or sit in the hot water for about 4 minutes. If you want a more full-bodied flavor or you want it to be a little more intense, you can let it steep in the hot water for a few more minutes past the 4-minute mark. But if you are just making the traditional safflower tea, you can remove the tea bag around 4 minutes. You can sweeten it with some honey, as it does have a very floral flavor to it, or you can drink it plain. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make safflower tea.